So, I just got the alert from the National Weather Service. We just got a severe thunderstorms warning in the designated area. Alexa, read my notification.
No new notifications.
Well.
At 3:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Doppler radar was tracking strong thunderstorms along a line extending from southwest of Gatlinburg.
Especially we're getting some lightning. Oh, we might getting some power outage. So it's a good news that we didn't get enough power. Let's go ahead and turn that off real quick. It looks seething. I wasn't expecting that. Alright, I'm just gonna check on the severe thunderstorms right now. I'm gonna put you on my tripod real quick. So you're just gonna watch me out just pulling up the weather.
The current time is 3:52 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Now here is the hazardous weather outlook for northeast Georgia, western North Carolina, and upstate South Carolina. For today and
Oh yeah, you can literally hear that.
heavy rain and thunderstorms are possible tonight into Wednesday morning. This may pose a risk of isolated minor flooding, primarily along small creeks and streams, and in the mountains along south-facing slopes. Any thunderstorms in this time frame could also produce
Oh yeah, you can.
and a tornado cannot be
Here we go. 2 notifications.
extended outlook for the period Wednesday through Monday. Periods of heavy rain and thunderstorms will continue into the first part of Wednesday. A risk of isolated minor flooding and small
Alright, let's see here. Radar. Severe thunderstorms.
through Wednesday in the morning.
And we're gonna check out on the radar.
Statement. Spotter activation may be needed. Please relay any information about observed severe weather to the National Weather Service wildfire
Okay, I got my email. Okay.
and CDC guidelines. The National Weather Service in Morristown has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Cherokee County in southwestern North Carolina, northeastern Polk County of East Tennessee, southwestern Brown County in East Tennessee, Monroe County in East Tennessee, until 4 p.m.
So yeah, we got some severe thunderstorms until.
Eastern Standard Time.
Alright. Add-on layers.
Along a line extending from 13 miles northeast of Madisonville to 7 miles east of Benton, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, law enforcement. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Venor, Tellico Plains, Cougar Creek, Violet, Kingsville, McGee Carson Peninsula, Bull Creek, Marble, and Satika Beach. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Damaging winds and occasional cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with these storms. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers.
Here it is, guys.
Near thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded
So we're getting a severe thunderstorms warning. Oh yeah, right here, they're getting a severe thunderstorms warning.
Cherokee, North Carolina.
Here it is, guys.
The National Weather Service in Greenville, Spartanburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for west central Swain County in western North Carolina.
So yeah, we're getting severe thunderstorms until.
Eastern Standard Time. Eastern Standard Time. Severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from 9 miles south of Maryville to 14 miles southeast of Madisonville to 12 miles north of Duntown.
There we go. We're just getting a severe thunderstorms warning till later.
Per hour wind gusts.
Jeez.
Indicated. Damage to trees.
Yeah, you can see it, but on the other side, you might be able to see it.
Robbinsville, Town of Santiba, Fontana Lake, Fontana Village, Lake Santiba, Smoky Mountains, 20 Mile Creek, Tampa Cove, Deals Gap, Smoky Mountains, Fontana area, and Chiola. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report damaging winds,
don't get the entire information.
Page or tweet us using hashtag NWSGST. Your message will describe the event and the specific location where it's occurred. Warning has been issued until 4:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for the following counties in North Carolina, Graham and Swain. The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Cherokee County, Clay County, northeastern part, southwestern Blount and Monroe counties will expire at 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. The storms which prompted the warning have moved out of the area. Therefore, the warning will be allowed to expire. However, gusty winds are still possible with these thunderstorms. Repeating, the severe thunderstorm warning has been allowed to expire for the following counties: Cherokee, North Carolina. The National Weather Service in Morristown has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Cherokee County in southwestern North Carolina, Clay County in southwestern North Carolina, southeastern Polk County in East Tennessee until 4:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 3:32 p.m. Eastern Standard
There it
Time,
is.
severe thunderstorm
Raining.
located along a line extending from 16 miles northwest of Murphy to near Ducktown, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard,
Ooh.
60 miles per hour along Jam.
Few seconds ago, someone was walking in. I heard the thunder coming from a distance.
Damaging winds and occasional clouds and ground lightning in between with these storms.
It is actually. Oh, you guys should see it. You're gonna hear some thunder in just a sec.
Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning.
Oh, there he goes. There he goes. I'll set this thing real quick. Just got wet. I haven't checked the weather, but I should bring my Midland with me so that I can see what will be the weather. Alright, let's go back inside.
Here is a special weather statement. Strong thunderstorms will impact portions of northwestern Macon, Swain, eastern Graham, and northwestern Haywood counties.
There's Mr. Kodiak, my dog.
At 3:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Alpha radar was tracking strong thunderstorms along a line extending from 18 miles southwest of Gatlinburg to 9 miles west of Robbinsville. Movement was east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, wind gusts up to 50 miles per hour and pea-sized hail. Source, radar indicated.
It's right there. You can see it from distance.
Down shootings and blow around unsecured objects. Minor damage to outdoor objects is possible.
Well, looks like that's gonna be it for today's video. Turn it off. So, that's gonna be it for the severe thunderstorms warning in my area. So, stay tuned. Make sure you smash the subscribe button, and I appreciate it. So, here's the radar where we at right now. So, it's actually thundering right now. So, anyways, let's go ahead and right now, thank you so much for joining, and stay tuned.